Hi everyone, I'm Eddie and I'm thrilled to have you here. Today we're making one of the most delicious and popular beverages out there, Caramel Mocha Latte. This drink is a perfect blend of coffee, chocolate, and caramel, and you can enjoy it either iced for warmer days or hot for those chilly winter moments. Let's dive in. Ingredients: 1 cup of espresso or strong brewed coffee, 1 cup of milk. For the iced version, cold milk. For the hot version, warm milk. 2 tablespoons of chocolate sauce. 1 tablespoon of caramel sauce plus extra for topping. Ice cubes for the iced version. Whipped cream for garnish. Cocoa powder or chocolate shavings for garnish. Optional. Brew your espresso or strong coffee and let it cool. In a tall glass, mix the cooled coffee with the chocolate sauce and caramel sauce until well combined. Add cold milk and a handful of ice cubes to the glass. Top it off with whipped cream, drizzle some caramel sauce over it, and sprinkle with chocolate shavings or cocoa powder. How to make the hot version: brew your espresso or strong coffee. Heat the milk on the stove or in a microwave. Froth it slightly for an extra creamy texture if you like. Mix the hot coffee with the chocolate sauce and caramel sauce. Add the warm milk, then top with whipped cream, caramel drizzle, and a dusting of cocoa powder. If you love sweeter drinks, feel free to add more chocolate and caramel sauce. Want a unique flavor? Sprinkle in a pinch of cinnamon or a drop of vanilla extract. For a dairy-free version, almond or coconut milk works beautifully. All right, friends, that's it for our 2 delightful versions of the Caramel Mocha Latte. 1 iced for sunny days and 1 hot for cozy winter moments. Now it's your turn to give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Oh, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a sip of our delicious creations. Thanks for joining me today. Until next time, cheers and take care.